as I promised you, we are going to see the vocabulary of the first lesson of English for Africa. The first lesson is coming to school, vocabulary. How can you proceed? We write 1, vocabulary. Vocabulary. 1. We have selected words. The first is exercise book. The procedure is you teacher, you take the exercise book. You draw the attention of pupils by saying, look class. Exercise book. Exercise book. Individually, exercise book. Exercise book. Class, exercise book. You give a model sentence. Elda has an exercise book. Elda has an exercise book. Individually, Elda has an exercise book. Elda has an exercise book. Now, class, Elda has an exercise book. You ask the question, what does Elda have? Pupils are going to give the answer. Elda has an exercise book. You change by saying, does Elda have a pen? The clever pupil will say no. Now you repeat the question. What does Elda have? They will tell you Elda has an exercise book. You pass to second word. The second word is bowl. Here you proceed by calling a boy in front of other pupils. Then you say, look class, boy. Individually, boy, boy, boy. Class, boy. You give a model sentence. Mutombo is a boy. Mutombo is a boy. Individually, Mutombo is a boy. Mutombo is a boy. Class, Mutombo is a boy. You ask the question, what is Mutombo? Mutombo is a boy. Congratulations. Now you change the question. Is Mutombo a boy? Let them say, yes, he is. The third word is can. You make now the contrary of what you taught about boy. You call again in front of other pupils in the classroom. You say, look class, again. Individual repetition, can, class, can. You give a model sentence. Afia is again. Afia is again. Individual repetition. Afia is again. Afia is again. Class, Afia is again. You ask the question, what is Afia? Afia is again. Now you change the question. Is Afia a boy? Let the pupils themselves themselves distinguish that Afia is a girl, she is not a boy. The third word is school bag. School bag. Definition: the place pupils put their exercise books. Now, school bag, individual. Repeat, school bag, school bag, school bag. Now, class, school bag. You give a model sentence. Osonga has a school bag. Osonga has a school bag. Repeat. Osonga has a school bag. Here, Osonga has a school bag. Class, Osonga has a school bag. Ask the question, please. What does Osonga have? Let always pupils give the answer. Osonga has a school bag. Thank you. Now, the last word is new. New. How can you proceed with this? You take, for example, an object like this pen. You say, look, class. Pen. Pen. Let them repeat. Pen. 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 Class. Pen. Ask them the question. How is the pen? How is the pen? A clever pupil will say, the pen is new. Well, now you say new. Repeat, new. New, new. Class, new. Now, a sentence. The teacher has a new pen. The teacher has a new pen. Repeat. The teacher has a new pen. Here, the teacher has a new pen. That one, the teacher has a new pen. Class, the teacher has a new pen. So, you write sentences on the blackboard. Write sentences on the blackboard with all what you have. And has an exercise book, and has an exercise book. Second, Mutombo is a bow. Mutombo is a bow. Third, Osonga is a girl. Osonga is a girl. The fourth, we have a new car. We have a new car. The last, the fifth, they possess a school bag. A school bag. They possess a school bag. Now, you are going to underline all new words taught. You underline all new words taught. For example, the first sentence, Anne has an exercise book. What is the word which is going to be underlined here? Is an exercise book, or simply exercise book, the word that you have taught. The second is ball. You underline the word ball. The third one, you underline the word girl. Girl. The following, you underline the word new. New. The last one, you underline the word school bag. School bag. And you ask pupils to take their exercise books and they write in the classroom. This is the way that you can teach vocabulary words. At length, you ask them to make sentences themselves with those new words taught. Or you give them a homework to do at home with those new words taught. Thank you very much for this lesson. And I'm sure that you have to subscribe yourself so that you master how to teach vocabulary words. Thank you.